Hey dolls, it's Bridgette here. Welcome back to another Look Lab with Doll 10. Today I'm going to be sharing with you our newest collection. It is the most luxurious and you'll see why. It is our Luxe Collection. It includes 6 full-size products, all from our HydraLux line, all in our beautiful train case. These are the 6 luxurious products I'm going to be showing you guys today. The first one is the HydraLux Smoothing Foundation. Next is the number 7 Double-Ended Foundation and Concealer Brush. HydraLux Smoothing and Multitasking Concealer. HydraLux Smoothing Eyeliner in Mocha. HydraLux Lip Liner in Icon. And HydraLux Honey Stick in Show Off. And let's not forget about the amazing train case. This is lined with a gorgeous rose gold silk lining, and it has a removable tray for you to keep all your goodies in. This collection is an over $200 retail value. It's on our website right now for $99. Alright, let's get started. So the first product in this Luxe collection I'm going to be using is the HydraLux Smoothing Foundation. This foundation doesn't only cover your imperfection, it also has a clinically proven hexapeptide in there that is clinically proven to smooth out your skin immediately upon application and as you wear it. So you get the best of both worlds. You get amazing coverage and skincare all in one. We like to call this a Botox in a bottle, and you'll see why. So I'm just going to dispense a half pump onto the back of my hand, like that. And I'm going to be taking the second product in this Luxe collection, which is the number 7 brush. As you can see, the HydraLux foundation just gave my skin the nice smooth coverage. It's not too dewy, it's not too matte, it's a perfect satin finish. So the next product I'm going to be using is the HydraLux Smoothing Multitasking Concealer. This is a powerhouse concealer. It works as a brightener, a concealer, and a color corrector all in one bottle. So all you do is you take out the wand and you apply it in a triangle of light under your eyes, and then just as the foundation, it has smoothing actives in it, so you can also put it over your wrinkles, your crow's feet, and any imperfections you'd like to cover.
Baby, I got to go, and I know that you lost.
So I put it under my eyes to cover up my dark circles and my bags. I put it down the center of my nose to highlight that area to make my nose just look a little bit more thin. And then I also went ahead and put it on my spine lines because that's where my problem area is with wrinkles, and then my skin is breaking out really bad because of this weather. So I put it all on my imperfections just to cover them up even more. And now I'm going to be picking up the number 7 brush and using the smaller side to blend out the concealer.
Whoa, baby, I got to go, and I know that you're gone.
Okay, so now that my complexion is complete, I'm now going to move on to the eyes. I'm going to be using our HydraLux Smoothing Eyeliner in shade Mocha. This is a beautiful brown color. It complements anyone's eye shade. I'm just going to be taking it and lining the top of my lid and then my inner rim with it. And just look at how much of a difference this eyeliner made. Now I'm going to be moving on to lips. I'm going to use our HydraLux Lip Liner in shade Icon. These lip liners are self-sharpening, so all you have to do to get the perfect point is advance the lip liner by tugging down at the neck, like that, taking the cap, and then twisting it until you hear one click. And you have the perfect point ready to line your lips with. And you can just see how gorgeous this color is. It's wearable for anyone. And I applied it over my entire lip to lock in the color that I'm going to now be using with our HydraLux Honey Stick. This is ultra hydrating. It has honey extract in it to lock in moisture throughout the entire day. And just as the HydraLux lip liner, it's also a very cool component where you advance it by clicking only twice to get the perfect amount to apply over your entire lip. And you can just see the shine on my lips, and they feel so hydrating and so moisturizing. Okay dolls, this is the final look using our Lux Collection. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe and tune in next week for another look lab. Bye dolls!